I'm Ashley and this is Yvonne.
Hi.
And we work at the Dartmouth Organic Farm.
As researchers, we're supervised by Professor Ong and Alana.
The Ong Lab deals with agroforestry, which are agricultural systems that incorporate trees as crop, shade, or border elements. Agroforestry uses native flora, such as trees and shrubs, to rejuvenate soil health, store carbon, improve biodiversity, and reduce the use of pesticides and herbicides. We are currently establishing a long-term forest census plot at the O Farm.
Alana uses satellite imagery to map a grid of our 25-hectare plot, creating 20-meter by 20-meter quadrants. We measure the quadrants with iron stakes, PVC pipe, and red flags. Our job is to use the total station and a single prism mirror to measure the area horizontally, creating those points.
One of our daily challenges is setting up the total station. Here you can see that we have to calibrate the station so that it's even with ground level. This makes sure that our data is accurate.
Once the total station is calibrated, we set our 0 degree on points that we are sure to be correct. We adjust the total station to a specific angle broken down by 45-degree intervals. Another teammate walks 20 meters forward with the single prism mirror. The total station searches and projects the laser beam that hits the prism, measuring the horizontal distance. This includes trial and error, as it is difficult to get 20 meters right the first time. Trees can also be in the way of our searching and staking.
This plot will become a part of the Forest Geo database, a global forest tracking system. Recently, we experimented with tree identification using tape measure and coordinate mapping. The trees have to be alive and more than a set diameter. So far, we've seen a lot of eastern hemlocks and maple trees.
This will be really useful data for future projects and courses. We can study population dynamics and legacy effects on soils, climate change, all sorts of things.
We will be continuing our research working on another project, an experimental food forest. This plot is located closer to the Connecticut, and we will be measuring the ability of food to grow year-round based on past land use.
Our time at the Ong Lab has been extraordinary in a sense that we are able to go beyond the classroom. Yvonne and I are consistently going on tangents about the applications of earth science and environmental studies. We would like to thank the Dartmouth Organic Farm, undergraduate advising your research, and the Ong Lab for providing a space and opportunity to grow as changemakers.